Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags.
YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good evening, good afternoon, whichever one applies to you. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button and the bell notification so you can stay updated with important information like this. And if you are subscribed, please hit that like button and hit that bell notification so you as well know when I upload important information like this, guys. Some important news, guys. Alright, a lot of people are selling off, but don't panic. These are just Jeets. Alright, guys, not to worry, okay? This is expected. We're expected to see this happening. I know a lot of people are saying on Twitter that we're gonna pump and Volt is going to the moon. It will, just not right now, not this weekend for sure. Price has definitely dropped. It definitely has passed the level that I said it probably would pass. Be aware, be prepared. Volt will probably drop. This is not financial advice. In no way is this financial advice, guys. But I just want to make aware of what's going on in the markets right now. A lot of it has to do probably with Kraken and their situation in the other side of the world. Guys, just be mindful of what's going on. Okay, also, you got to look at it in a good way, all right? You have to look at it like, okay, this is an opportunity to buy, all right? I've been trying to prepare you guys mentally in my videos, and for those who have watched from this very moment, okay? I go and I check the charts, and I'm just seeing big old candles drop, all right? Definitely a lot of sells. We're going to get into the chart in just a minute. But I just want to set a lot of people's mind at ease. Listen, this is a great opportunity, okay? Because Volt is definitely not going anywhere. And for those who are new to the channel, I'm going to set your mind at ease. We're going to go over a couple things why Volt is here for long term, okay? Listen, you can scoop up at a way better price now, and if it keeps on dropping, it's gonna be a massive opportunity to scoop up more than where we were at 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Okay, we gained a zero, and we are more than likely gonna keep dropping a little bit, but this is what has been said multiple times. Okay, all I can say is it's a clearance. This is a discount. If you didn't have a chance to scoop up a good bit before, you definitely will now. Just to give you an example, if you were to purchase about $100 worth of Volt right now, let's just say an example, okay? Now this is not example. The quantity is legit, but you would get over 100 million coins. All right, and if you're like me, who's trying to reach a certain amount, this is perfect to add to your bag. Okay, no need to get scared, no need to run, no need to sell your bag. Don't be like these other people who are selling their bags and are gonna miss out on great opportunities. Instead of adding to their bags and having that chance to where when Volt does pump, they would gain so much. But if you don't take this opportunity to add to the bag and you sell, you're gonna miss out on the chance of you being a future millionaire. All right, and I would hate to see a lot of people lose out. Okay, you know, I can understand if you have some personal issues, financial issues, and you need the money. Okay, you know, it's understandable, but don't ever invest money that you are not willing to lose. Only invest money that you're willing to lose. If it's your rent money, if it was your utility bill money, if it was your food money, groceries, whatever it is, your kids' money, don't. Okay? don't use that. If you don't have the money to invest, don't invest. But if you can afford to lose a certain amount, then hey, take a chance. You know what I mean? If you was gonna spend it on junk, if you're gonna spend it on something that wasn't gonna give you any returns in the long term, or it was gonna be a liability, then take a chance and put your money in Volt. Right? Not financial advice. All right, guys. I will admit when I first got into Volt, I wasn't too aware of how investing was. I didn't know how crypto worked, and I invested money that I couldn't afford to lose at the time. I was going through a separation and all this and that. Okay, that's neither here nor there. But unfortunately, I thought it was gonna pump up, and I thought I was gonna get these massive gains, and so I invested money that unfortunately shouldn't have been invested. I lost out on it, and yeah, had I kept my money in there at this moment right now, I would have been up so much, because I got in in January, February. So, I got in at a pretty decent price, guys. All right. So listen, let's go ahead and jump into the charts, jump into why Volt is long term, why Volt should be an investment you should be in, why it should be one of your main cryptos that you should have in your portfolio. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and jump into it now. All right. So here we are. 609129. This morning when I put out a video, we were right around this area right here, and we were in the 9.3 area. Okay, I was pretty sure we were gonna come down to this level here, and I wasn't too sure if it was gonna hold or break, but we got our answer, and we got our answer pretty quick. Okay, so price did come down at this very moment. It seems like it's retesting this trend line. Now, if this holds and it respects this trend line, that could be a good sign. But more than likely, we are going to continue to push down. Okay, unfortunately, right? So, if that is the case, right, I believe that price is going to drop. Now, this is just my opinion, not financial advice. I could be wrong, right? But I do believe that if we do keep on dropping, we will end up in this area, which is 608225. If it holds, great. If it doesn't, worst case scenario, we end up around here next after that, which obviously that's going to take some time to get here, unless like people start freaking out and selling massively. Okay, but like I say, guys, yes, it sucks, right? It sucks. We could even end up here, to be honest, because this is where the low is. But I say here because there's a lot of consolidation within this area. But it could be here or it could be here, right? We just don't know. But be prepared for that. I'm just trying to prepare you guys who are invested. And if you are new and you were curious on Volt and you see it dropping, listen, don't freak out. Okay, this was expected to happen. All right. Yes, we were all hopeful that it was gonna pump. A lot of people saying it was gonna pump. Now, it is gonna pump, but is it gonna pump today? Is it gonna pump tomorrow? Is it gonna pump this weekend? Doubt it. I highly doubt it. Okay, but it's just another opportunity to add to your bag, man. And for a better price. Okay, guys? Please don't freak out. Please don't go start selling your bags. Okay? Please stay volted. Don't miss out on an opportunity, because as quick as price came down or is coming down, price can shoot up and go up the other way. We have so many bullish news coming out. We have so many bullish things happening for Volt. Partnerships, multi-change update, NASDAQ interview that happened, Bloomberg. I mean, Listen, there's just no way. Think about this. There's just no way that all of a sudden Volt's gonna crash after everything that's happened throughout this year, through the FTX situation, through the bear market, inflation, all of that. Okay? It has withstood all of that. It has maintained, it has grown. Let me go ahead and zoom this in for you guys, okay? Let me go ahead and put the bigger picture in perspective, right? Alright guys, listen. I know a lot of you guys might not know. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I know a lot of you guys might not know how to read the charts, don't understand it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and break it down for you guys, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this, and we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this. Alright? Now, to make this clear, we are on the 4 hour. Sorry, let me go ahead and get back to the 12 hour. Alright? I just want to show you guys long term what's going on, okay? So, go ahead and draw this here like this. Alright? So, overall direction, guys, as you can see right here, okay? Alright. Look at this. Price is still trending up, okay? Now, trend lines are here for a reason. It is to kind of give you a direction of where price is headed. If Volt was doing bad, if Volt was crashing, right, it would look a lot different, okay? But it's still in an uptrend, okay? We are still going up, all right? We're not going down. We're not. This is just expected. This is expected when the markets are bad. This is expected, okay? Now, this is a better look at what Volt is doing and what might Volt do, okay? So, if you can see right here, price has really maintained here before, okay? We've had rejections in the zone, all right? So, at the best case scenario, price respects this, okay? When it gets down here, price could very well be respected, okay? We have a lot going on right here, okay? If you notice, anytime price had came into this area, there was a reaction, all right? This is considered a fake out, okay? Price does fake out sometimes. See, price came down. Yes, it broke the trend line, but it came back up eventually, okay? Came back, retested, came, held, came back up, all the way back up, okay? And it came back down to retest. Let me explain to you guys what's going on for those of you who don't know about reading charts or trading or any of that. When price shoots up, after a while, price has to come down to correct itself. It has to fill in orders. It has to come down and retest the area that it broke out of, okay? And that's what happened here. This was a pullback, okay? It pulled back. It pumped so much for so much time that eventually it had to come down. And also, we're in a bear market. So, of course, it's going to come down, right? And a lot of this big drops has to do also with FTX, inflation, bad news. Anytime there's news in the world globally, it affects the markets, okay? So these things are expected, all right? And so price is just doing what it needs to do, okay? And it's giving us an opportunity to get in at a better price. So if we look at this correctly, if we really get realistic, okay? If they're saying that Ethereum and Bitcoin is due to drop and hit a certain level, then that's what's gonna happen. And because Volt follows the Ethereum and it's on the ERC, then and anything not just Volt, anything under the ERC network, okay, is going to follow Ethereum, and so price is gonna continue to come down. And look, this was a massive reaction right here. Look how much it rejected, okay? And so best case scenario, it comes down here, respects, and possibly pushes back up. It might not drop all in one day, okay, unless people just start freaking out and selling or something, or the world's ending, then it'll drop all the way, right? And if the world's ending, then who cares, right? Who cares about the crypto at that point? Who cares about anything? besides their life. So right now, see, price is currently at 9075. Okay, it's dropping, guys. It's coming down. Okay, just be aware. Okay, I'm still holding my whole bag. Not to worry. I'm not worried. I'm actually excited. Yeah, I wish it would have pumped up, but I'm excited because now I'm gonna add so much more to my bag. All right. Worst case scenario, it comes down to this level here and gets respected. Okay, it could very well be here, it could be here, you know, but just know that it's not a bad thing, and there's no need to worry, guys. There's no need to worry. Just be prepared, have some money put aside for this very moment. All right, DCA, dollar cost average, just in case it does reach this level and it rejects and starts pushing back up. Be prepared. Have some money put aside. Okay, and all this is gonna happen within the next, it could happen in a few days. It can happen, and let's say it does come down here. It's gonna take some time to come back up. So you have some time. All right. If it ends up coming down even more, then we definitely have a lot more time. So you want to have money. You want to have money put away. You want to have cash reserve to be able to buy in more. All right. You want to be able to dollar cost average. Keep adding as it goes down. Get your dollar cost average down some. You know what I mean? So don't worry, guys. Don't freak out. This is expected. Okay. I try to be positive, and I try to see, better. I try to see the better in things, and unfortunately, this is what's going on, and there's no avoiding it. This was expected. I'm gonna keep on saying that. This was expected, guys. All right. But what can we do, right? It's gonna do what it's gonna do. Okay. So let me explain to you guys why Volt is here long term. Okay, we're gonna go through some tweets. All right, this is Volt Inu's official Twitter page. If you are new, check them out. Links down below. Okay, or just go to Twitter and type in Volt Inu, and you'll find the Volt Inu official. All right, and here we're updated on everything that has to do with Volt. Okay, anything and everything will be on this page here. Okay, so Volt is a supercharged Inu reviving the true crypto spirit, making every VoltiChange, making every ERC20 and BEP20 tokens deflationary. Ethereum and Binance network. Okay, Volted to announce the first VoltiChange updates that will go live within a week. Trade more to vote more. Okay, VoltiChange.net. Guys, link is in the description. If you're going to purchase anything in the ERC or Binance network, use VoltiChange. Why not help burn the supply? It could be SHIB, it could be Chronos, it could be Doge, it could be Volt. It could be anything under the ERC network, anything under the Binance network, okay? Why not help burn the supply to help bring the floor price up so we can bring the value of our investment up? Okay, that's the goal. The goal is to knock as much supply down as we can. So that way, there's more value in our investment. That way, our investment is worth more. Okay? Less supply, more demand. Get what I'm saying? All right? These are all the features going on with VoltiChange. Okay, we have the widget. Okay, thanks to this new tool, every project will be able to add VoltiChange to its website for free in a few clicks. By doing so, you will not only offer an easy way for your users to buy your token, but also a way for your community to burn your supply. Okay, here we have favorite trades. This new feature will allow you to save frequent trades as well as the slippage and compatibility settings. Okay, once added to your favorites, your trading will be ready in one click. This is what you call a voted trade. Okay, we also have the trending bar, burn to trend. This bar will show the trending tokens based on their volume and burn. So whoever burns the most will be trending. Okay, will be on the trending bar. the token data. No more need to browse to find the price, website, socials, and other information about a project. VoltiChange brings everything to you in one place. All right. Add the VoltiChange widget to your website. Ads. Among other activities, allowing all projects to advertise on VoltiChange will be added. This will allow us to add a new revenue stream to the Volt ecosystem, as well as offer new utilities to other projects. Okay. USD values and price impact. You asked, we Volt. As requested by many of you, we also added the USD values of the tokens that you are trading, as well as the price impact of your trade. So now it'll show the value of your coins in dollar amount. Okay, instead of it just, let's say you're trying to swap it in Ethereum and you don't know how much it is, and you're like, damn, how much is it worth, or I only want to take a certain amount. Now it'll show it. It'll show the dollar value, so you know how much you're taking out or how much you're buying. Okay, or how much you just say you just want to see how much your bag is worth. It'll show it there. Okay, guys, this is very, very bullish. All right, I'm very excited. This is gonna bring a lot of revenue in. It's gonna bring a lot of attention to Volt. Okay, Volt is one of the meme coins that I'm seriously keeping an eye on. Okay, one of the select few alts who actually seem to have bottomed back in June. Seems to have a very strong community and nice developments during this bear market. All right, we have tons of people always talking about it, like myself. All right, let's see what else. Okay, first project to list on over 100 exchanges in the first year. First deflationary DEX in crypto. VoltiChange.net. Strongest community-driven token in DeFi. All right, guys. Look at that beautiful chart. Like I'm telling you, it's an uptrend. All right. Now, this is huge, guys. An honor to be awarded Meme Coin of the Year. Congratulations and thank you, Volt Army. Congrats to the Volt Inu for Meme Coin of the Year. Web3 Awards 2022. All right, guys. Volt was named Meme Coin of the Year. That doesn't tell you, then what does? If you think a coin was going to crash or not do good, why would we be named the Meme Coin of the Year, guys? Okay. The updates for VoltiChange will be added within a week. All right. We have and now these are just some screenshots of what it looks like. This is what I was saying about the dollar amount. You can see how much your Volt token is worth. Okay. We have so much going on, guys. All right. Volting with Gilbert Durinho. And guys, this is a UFC fighter that is volted, guys. Okay. Listen, still a few zeros left. Still some work to vote. This was a old tweet that Satoshi had tweeted, working on killing 9 zeros. This is when we had 9 zeros. Probably nothing. Okay. Look at where we're at now, guys. Okay. Volt is ending the year with a bang. Don't say I didn't try to tell you. Watch December DeMarco. Check him out. He'll keep you updated as well on Volt. Okay, guys? Let's see. Just in, Volt Inu official, December 29th, will be listed. BTSC is a fast-growing digital asset exchange that empowers users by offering a simple and secure way to trade. Volt Inu will be listed on BTSC. Very bullish, guys. Okay, I didn't even know about this one. All right? So, you know, we have a lot going on, guys. Here, change now. This year wouldn't have been the same without the supercharged vibes of the Volt Army. Looking forward to even higher voltage. Okay, change now, guys. Available for instant swaps on changenow.io. Alright, we have a Volted AMA that happened with Poloniex. A Poloniex is an exchange for those of you who don't know. Alright, it's so bullish, man. Okay, they're very volted. They love Volt. Come on. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Listen. We have NFTs, okay? Time to show us how volted you are. They did a giveaway. Satoshi had a giveaway of 3 NFTs, okay? 3 people. Alright? Check out, you know, they're sold out, but check them out. You know what I mean? What else? We have Bitcan, alright? As Volt is quickly rising up, why not learn more about Volt Inu? We have so many things, guys. And let me go ahead and show you right now. the NASDAQ. For those of you who have not seen it, for those of you who have seen it, I'm sorry. But if you guys are enjoying this video, if you are voted, please smash that like button for me, y'all. Alright, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you are aware of videos like this. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and watch the NASDAQ interview. And this says it all. And I'm going to end it with this. So please enjoy.
Volt was launched in December of 2021 with the purpose of becoming a one-stop shop offering DeFi products while bringing profits back to the native token to support its deflationary purpose. And with me is Pablo Crow, Ozzy, and Power Right with Volt. And I'll just ask questions. You guys kind of chime in a little bit if you want. So what separates Volt from some other crypto projects?
Well, first of all, my honest opinion, as you know, as an investor myself, Volt was created in the bear market, which a lot of projects are created in the bull market, and they have a little pump, right? And by the time the bear market kicks in, they tend to die. So I believe that getting built in the bear market is the most efficient to go long term. Therefore, it separates us from the rest.
Okay, so that kind of gave you, I don't know, some extra incentive to work hard and to build this in a bear market to make sure that you weren't trying to jump on the hype, I guess.
Definitely.
Exactly.
It gives us a lot of time to, especially in a bear market, you have a lot of time to work, a lot of time to build, build, whether it be partnerships, sponsorships, globally, internationally, right? During a bull run, it's very hard to do that because there's a lot of news coming out, there's a lot of information coming out, a lot of investors coming out, so it doesn't give you too much time to act. Right, in a bear market, you have a lot of time. You can build, you can reach out to different investors globally, internationally, right? And building our community. When you mention what separates us from other tokens, is our community. Having a very strong community to push a vision to a level where our developing team wants to see. So it's been really great for us.
Yeah. And what is the strength of Volt?
I would say the strength of Volt, to me, is really the dynamic and energetic community, right? Since the beginning, that was the main mission, right? The main mission was to create a community that can be compared to the likes of Bitcoin, right? That can be compared to the likes of Ethereum, Shiba, Doge, because all of those great projects, what they had in common is the fact that they had a backing, support, right? Because with crypto, right, you know, you can't really compare it to like a stock, for instance, right? Crypto has to be all community driven, right? Everyone has to be entertained, right, in it completely. So I think that's the best thing about Volt.
Is it a meme coin?
Well, yeah, it
started as
a meme coin.
Yeah, it started like anything, you know. The idea with Volt, the name, like when I first got involved with Volt, it came out as a Disney doll character, like the Volt dog, right? But the whole point of Volt was because the name was so brandable, where we're creating a brand. You know, you put a lightning bolt in a Gatorade, you put a lightning bolt in shoes. I mean, Volt is so powerful when it comes to brand. You know what I mean? So it started as a meme coin, but it has become a brand. Yeah. And you know, we're taking this brand to the world.
That's right.
Does it have real life utility?
Yeah, I was just going to touch on that. I mean, the meme coin is how it started off, but the vision was to show the world that the power of retail investors, the power of how a community-driven token can take it to multi-million market caps. At the same time, a meme token can have real-life utilities. You know, for example, paying for your Volt tokens using a credit card, right? Whether converting your crypto to fiat back into your bank account is a little bit tedious. You know, it could take some time. But if you can actually swap your Volt tokens to pay for stuff, a month ago I was in NYC and I was paying for stuff all throughout the city, buses, taxis, restaurants, bars, using my Volt tokens, right? Just as a credit card as Apple Pay. So there's a lot of utilities that we can use in real life to pay for stuff. We've partnered up with Amazon, Shopify, Shopping.io. So it's been great, yeah, to use in real life.
Thanks so much, guys.
Of
for coming
course.
in.
Well, I mean, if that doesn't say it all, and with the little information I gave y'all already, if that doesn't confirm or calm you down or make you want to invest even more when price keeps going down, I don't know what will. I guess you don't want to make money. I guess you don't want generational wealth. Because I'm here for the long term. I'm here for generational wealth. I want to be financially free, just like these guys. Okay? And Volt is going to do that. And I don't want y'all to miss out on that opportunity. All right, guys? So listen, if you enjoyed this video, if this information helped you, if you have any questions, you can comment down below. I do answer back. But serious comments, guys, please. No BS. Okay, guys? But hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Stay tuned. I post daily. I try to post daily. If I don't post, it's because there's really nothing going on with Volt. I do have other content on my channel. Anything that has to do with the market, trading, any of that, I will be doing content on. Okay, I'm just getting started, but I am trying to raise that subscriber count up. I am trying to get my content out there. So, guys, please smash that like button so other people can be aware of what's going on. So that way, other people could be calm and reassured. Okay. So if this doesn't reassure you, I don't know. But if you are reassured, hit that like button for me, man. All right, y'all. Peace.